Can you imagine technology being a bridge for inclusion rather than a barrier?
Hello, I am Roger Alabella.
And I am Maria Sion, and in 3 minutes, we will tell you what Tactile Jr is and why it is much more than a game.
Tactile Jr is a new inclusive educational resource created in collaboration with the Scratch Foundation, born from the MIT Media Lab, which brings computational thinking and creative learning closer to children with different abilities.
It is based on ScratchJr, the Scratch version for the little ones.
But how was the idea born?
When I was little, I had visual impairment, and I've realized that the tools for learning robotics in schools are not inclusive. Tactile Jr was created to learn without screens or devices, in an unplugged way, without seeing, by touching, seeing, because it is beautiful, and in a social and collaborative way.
In short, for each and every one, and above all, to leave absolutely no one behind.
For students with low vision, it is a very accessible resource because it has very contrasted colors. They are manipulable tokens. In addition, programming is an abstract concept. It is not tangible, but working in a physical way, students can access to this abstract concept.
After this introduction, why is it tactile?
It is tactile because instead of dragging blocks on the screen, we code using tangible blocks, fostering a more immersive and collaborative learning.
The proposal of Tactile Jr, unlike Scratch, is that it doesn't need screens.
We can touch it, and therefore, all students can participate and can use it together.
And why is it inclusive?
Because it has been developed using universal design for learning and has been tested with a large number of schools and diverse students. Let's see what we can create with Tactile Jr.
From the age of 4, we can imagine stories, invent games, and co-create a multitude of fun projects about languages, art, science, mathematics, history, literature, or any topic you can imagine.
But Tactile Jr is much more than this, as educators and students from the age of 10 can use digital technologies to modify it, design new features, and manufacture it, for example, through 3D printing. And this is possible because it is an open design project. And in the community, we are already users from more than 70 countries around the world.
Tactile Jr is a global movement for the equity and empowerment of creative people to put technology at the service of inclusion.
What I liked the most was being a cook. It's also a bit challenging to make them because it's difficult for them too, but we can help them, and in the end, we wanted to make a flower, but we got an octopus.
We are definitely confident that, with you, we can take it even further.
The funds we are raising will be used to create new resources for teachers and expand the possibilities of Tactile Jr with the aim of reaching all types of contexts, especially where it is most needed.
And you? What will you create?
Tactile Jr brings us together.